yan. Pwede itong English or Tagalog. Basta nagsisimula sa letter P and T.
Kaisolan daw, may tanong, pwede ba daw French? In French?
Sure.
Hindi pwede.
Ayaw.
Okay, Tagalog or English? Okay?
Okay, are you ready? Ready, get set, go!
Ay! Lakko ha? Isipin mabuti.
Tenga.
Okay?
P. T.
Ops! Lahat na dapat clear, dapat klaro.
Okay, ayan. Pwede niyong tipirin ha, pwede niyong hatiin yung sticker para mas maraming matikitan. Ayan.
Beautiful. No one ugly allowed.
Okay.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Ayan, last 20 seconds.
Angels in the dark. Which one of you would never dare to go?
Last 15 seconds.